heading to Cars and Coffee, which is a bit of a meet-up. Tried to get the FG detailed in time, but didn't get around to finishing it off. So we decided to just bring the EA, Slovakia HQ in Doncaster East. So we're heading down there. Insane amount of awesome cars at the last one. Really high-end stuff there, so it should be pretty good today. We're probably going to be in the most low-end car there. Thomas is with me. Thomas did not have a very good sleep last night, so yeah, let's go check out some of the action. Mate, this thing's got a built motor, built by Ford, 1988. Hey bro.
Oh, what happened to the FG?
How are you?
Yeah, good.
Are you full already?
No, we haven't let him in yet. I'm just waiting for HSV Club.
Oh, it's cammed. No, it's running on 5 cylinders. Smells good. So what do? Just line up here? I feel like the dirtiest car here. Look at that, man, that's beautiful. So what do? Just cruise around the streets for? Yeah, well, they're not letting us in. We come early. He said come early to get a park. Never trust your friends, man. Never trust you. They're not letting us in because the HSV Club has apparently got priority. What the hell? And we're just with, what's his name?
Zane.
Zane, mate. He's going to show us his Beast XF here.
1985 Ford XF. This car was all stock, molded a FG bulge on it. Running Conva Pros. Pretty sure it's 8.5 and 500 backspace at the back. Some semis on the rear. Motor wise 250 crossflow, cammed. Gear interior.
got Julian here from Hydro Studio Detailing in South Morang. He's going to show us his killer V8 M3 right now. Let's go check it out.
So it's my 2008 E92 M3, 6-speed manual, 4-litre V8, naturally aspirated. Had it for not long now, only 2 months. It's rear-wheel drive, it's manual, it sounds good, it's loud, and it revs high. It's 8,500 RPM redline, and yeah, it's a very comfortable car to drive. You can track them stock.
Now we've got Ryan here from Hydro Studio, also detailing service in South Morang. If you guys want your cars detailed, hit this guy up, he's a legend. He's going to tell us about his Mark II G6E Turbo.
Right, so I wanted to keep it pretty stock looking. Got blacked out intercooler, pretty much standard on the outside. I've only really done engine mods to it. Still the stock bottom end, got a bit of head work done. It's a standard barrel staff, bell springs, head studs, oil pump gears. Got a GTX Gen 2 3582 Garrett. It's about 460 real kilowatt at the moment. It's on E85 too. Dedicated E85, no flex fuel, so not very good for a daily. Just a standard ZF. I'm still yet to build it, just like yourself. But yeah, I'm gonna get a build ZF at some stage.
So that's it, we got to see a couple of cars there. I didn't get to interview every single person that was here, but just did a bit of a montage of all the different cars. We have to go, so I hope you like this video, guys. Let us know your favorite car in the comments. We'll see you in the next one.